guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to harvest our rainbow chard. So if you have seen my previous video of rainbow chard, we grew this from seeds, and look at this now. And if you come closer, I'll show you, all the stems. These are magenta, pinkish, these are yellow, there are orangish, here there are pink, and look at the size of this. It's as big as my hand, so it's growing really well. So we are going to harvest the chard and we are going to make a salad out of it. So just watch how we make the salad. So I'm just going to pick the big ones, from the outside of each plant. I'm going to pick the big leaves. I don't want to cut the whole plant because I can't really use all of this. So these big leaves, I'm going to harvest these. And this one doesn't look that great, so I'm not going to use it, but I'll cut it in any case. I think that should be sufficient for our salad. So look at this. This is reddish, this is pinkish, whitish, orangish, and look at the veins. So this one, normally you should, if you are using it in your salad, you should probably pick it a little bit earlier than this, because it has grown too big. But I'll see if the stems are too fibrous, I'll get rid of those. So let's go and get some mint and basil from the garden, and then we'll make our mango and chard salad. So here, we have our mint. So I'm going to just cut a few twigs of mint. Of course, this in winters, mint, it doesn't like winters as much, so it's not growing that well right now because the spring has just started. But hopefully it will start to grow pretty good. And then I'm going to take a few twigs of basil also. I think that should be sufficient. So I have washed the chard, and you can see all the rainbow colored sticks and all the veins. And I tested the stem, and it is a little fibrous, so I'm going to put it in cooking and not going to use it in the salad. And here is our basil leaves washed, our mint, and then we have our mango cut in cubes, cherry tomatoes cut in half, and little bit of onion. And we have salt and we have lemon. That's about it. So and I have removed the leaves. Some of the leaves had holes, so probably there were some bugs eating them up. So I have got rid of those. So I'm just going to break them roughly by hand. It has no oil or anything, so it's pretty healthy. So you can see that it is fibrous. So I should have picked it a little earlier. But this is fine, you remove all the fibrous stuff and then it's good to go. And if you are growing lettuce, you can do the same thing, arugula, spinach. I've tried all those combinations, it all works. Just roughly break them. And then, so this must be, probably about a cup if you pack it in a cup. and then a few leaves of basil. Again, same thing, just break it into this, and feel free, if you like it more, you can put more in it. And same thing with mint, or if you want to experiment, you can use any other fresh herbs. You know, fresh herbs are better, so whatever is growing in your garden. And mint you want to kind of mince a little bit, because mint has a very strong flavor, so you want to, you know, don't want to leave a full leaf. And then just add mango as much as you want. This is about 1 cup cut, and I would probably use about half cup of tomatoes, but there's a salad, you know, if you like more tomatoes you can add more tomatoes, and little bit of onion. And some lemon. So this salad is really great, you know, it has the goodness of chard, and you know, the creaminess, and you know, the softness of mango, and then tanginess of tomatoes, and you know, it has basils and mint, so they give a little bit of more flavor to it, and salt, and lemon. If you want, you can add crushed pepper, black pepper in it, or if you want to add oil, you can do that, but really there is no need. So this salad is really great, and if you have you know, all these things, or many of these things growing at home, so it's a great way to have salad from your garden to the table. Serve it. The good part is coming on top, the mangoes and tomatoes and the healthy stuff. So look at the color combination, love the color combination. So it's green and yellow and red. I'm making a mess here, but that's okay. And your salad is ready. I want to taste it. With a little bit of mango. So good. So I hope this video was useful to you. We grew this chard from seeds, and now we are harvesting it, and then a quick fun way to eat it up. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.